ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸಿಎಎ ಜಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ನೋಡಿ, ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ 3.5 ವರ್ಷ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಅಸ್ಸಾಮು, ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾತಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಹೋರಾಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಡೀತು. ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಕದಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮ ಜಾತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಾಂಗಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
Sir, in English, sir, CAA.
It is very unfortunate that after a very long time of more than 3.5 years, they have notified, and they would have taken a decision earlier itself. Who said no? Now at the time of elections, where there will be a lot of communal issues may start. We don't want anything to start.
ನೀವು ಪೋಷಕರಾಗಲು ಕಾಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚಿಂತಿಸದಿರಿ. ಓಯಾಸಿಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ 90,000 ದಂಪತಿಗಳ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ. 7825893601 ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗುಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
We want a peaceful country. We want all sections of the society to be together. So this is not the right time. They could have taken earlier whatever the stand they called, because they have the absolute majority. The timing of taking a decision is completely wrong, number one. Number two, that was not needed for this country, according to me.
Sir, in the Gazette notification that has been passed by the Ministry of Home Affairs, they state that the Citizen Amendment Act is for to give the citizenship and not to take away any sort of citizenship.
See, now they may tell whatever it is. You know how the people were being agitated, what all has happened. Already my AICC has come out on a clarification on this issue. I stand by their statement.
The Congress will oppose this, sir?
Oh, definitely. This is not the right time. This is not the right time. That means they have been disturbed on this issue.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And number two, third point is on this Constitution. BJP MP very clearly telling that we need 400 seats only to change the Constitution. This is a country. We respect Baba Sahib Ambedkar. We respect the Constitution. We respect all secular fabric of this in our Constitution. Without our Constitution, we are not running this country. They want to change this Constitution. He is a BJP parliament member and is a former union minister. They may tell it may be seeing a personal opinion. It can't be a personal opinion. What action they have taken? This is the stand and the voice of the BJP. The entire country is feeling ashamed of such type of statement, and BJP should answer for this.